Okay, so what should I start with? No, I'm just gonna open them all up right now. And I think I'll start with the Premier Ball. Oh my god. Let's put you off over here. Ugh. Well, this is going to be my first pack opening. More to come in the future, of course. I don't think this is the most recent pack. Yeah, Fusion Strike is not the most recent pack. I think it came out 4 packs ago. Come on. How do I open you? Do I pull this off? Ah, there you go. Come on. Ha. So we got 3 packs, 1 Vivid Voltage, Cosmic Eclipse, and Rebel Clash. Comes with a nice little coin. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, it's a Dragon Knight. Let's put you over here. Let's see what you come with. You got a big Pikachu coin, Light Toxicity, a Mimikyu, and then a Hydreigon C. We got Battle Styles, Vivid Voltage. Oh my goodness, how many of these are there? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 celebration packs. Some stickers, more stickers, even more stickers, lots more stickers, and a notepad. And then we got our little card holder. What are you? Oops, I ripped it. Ah, that just talks about the Pokemon cards. I should totally make that my lunch box for work. And now my Elite Trader box. This shows a list of cards. Where does this show the list of cards? One of them does. Oh well. You got your dice, well, the damage counters. All the energies. Little Mew. Poison and Burn. At least I think that's Burn. Then how many packs do we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fusion. Okay, I'm going to clean up a little and then I am going to start opening these packs. Okay, I decided to start with Cosmic Eclipse because it's all the baby Pokemons. And then let's see if I remember the little... What's it called? Here's a code. I think it was 4, right? And this should be an energy. Okay, there we go. Electric energy. Guzma and Hala. Mimikyu. Beastite. Swirlix. Kricketot. Woobat. Ducklet. Ducklet, my little. I wish you were shiny. Helioptile. Ooh, that's a nice looking Weavile. I like you. And a Decidueye. So let's put these two over here for now. I'm most likely gonna sleeve that Weavile. That is a nice looking Weavile. I like it. Now Rebel. The code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Heracross. I'm actually thinking about getting Heracross in a Diamond and Pearl. Well, Shiny Diamond, Brilliant Pearl. I said that backwards. But I'm planning on using him in a playthrough sometime. Bucket. Turffield. Meowth. Caterpie. Cursola looks so sad. Litwick. Shinx. A reverse Helioptile. And then a Pincurchin V. He looks okay. Time for some Vivid Voltage. Open them, you. No, don't see it. Don't look at that. And there you go. I'm still working on getting a good setup for this. This is my first try. Don't judge me. Trumbeak, Sableye, Duat, Phanpy, Yanma, Meowth, Duskull, Voltorb, a reverse Yanmega, and that is a pretty nice looking Zekrom. Open. Here we go. Another code. Energy. Metang, Girafarig, Alistair. Is it? Yeah, Alistair. Clobbopus, Skiddo, Shuppet, Ferroseed, Joltik, Reverse Beedrill, and Aegislash V. Now for some battle styles. Oh well. There's your code for you. Grass, Escape Rope, Tower of Water, Weeping Bell, Scatterbug, Cubone, Murkrow, Tepig, Honedge, Baltoy, and a Mr. Rhyme. Nothing good there. So I'm just missing Dual Blade for that Aegislash line. I've never seen this one before. Upside down. Wata, Chillin, Silent, and Cress, Gliscor, Mandibuzz, Phantom, Snorlax, Snom, Drippy, Makuhita, a reverse Dalcatty, and ooh, that looks nice. Isn't that a pretty nice looking Deoxys? So I wouldn't say anything too bad, but nothing too good either. I would love to see a full art or maybe a secret rare, but I have very bad luck, so I'm not expecting it. Grass, Darmanitan, Phalanx, Semisage, Skarmory, Jinx, Mantine, Grubbin, Ratom, Granbull, and a Kangaskhan. I think I need to work on the lighting too. This is pretty bad lighting. Like flipping it that way is going to make a difference. I need to just flip it over horizontally. Okay. Grass, Beware, Dracolock, Corvisquire, Helioptile, Wooloo, Glossophore, I said that terribly wrong, Mudkip, Sandshrew, Growlithe, and a Chandelure V. Chandelure is actually one of my favorite fire-type Pokemon. Okay, so like this. I still get it wrong. Energy, Breloom, Cross Switcher, Garbodor, Morpeko, Eevee, Shelter, Voltorb, Pansage, Mudkip, and Melmetal. With that. Iron Fist. I don't know, I'm starting to think I'm not going to get anything good. I swear, I will never get this right. And I stopped to think about it too. Togedemaru, Schoolboy, Primeape, Onix, Choodle, Little Angry Choodle, Shroomish, Klefki, Trubbish, Slugma, and a Bolt V. I'm almost done, and I haven't gotten any full arts. That's kind of sad. I thought I'd at least get maybe one or two. Okay, come on. I give up on trying to get that right. 2, 3, 4. Metal. Pyukumuku. Eldergoss. Power Tablet. Those look like, what was it? The Gummy Lifesavers. Keyfant. Gligar. Slugma. Skitty. Phalanx. Reverse Skullgirl. What do you do? Okay. And Latias. That's actually a pretty nice looking Latias. Too bad you're not a holo. Two more Fusion Strike and it's off to the celebrations. Whatever. Like this. I hate myself. Energy, Zarude, Delcatty, Darkrai. Wow, they made two, like, mythical Pokemon commons. Totodile, Phantom, Snorlax, Snom, Dreepy, Halucha, and a Virizion. Nothing good there either. This time? Nope. Power Tablet, Darmanitan, Phalanx, Totodile, Phantom, Snorlax, Snom, Dreepy, Sigilyph, and Pikachu V. Very underwhelming. Let's see what these have. There's only 4 cards in each one. See, these are easy. And I'm just going to do this. Yveltal, Dialga, Zekrom, and Lunala. I think all of these are going to be rares and holographic. Okay, and another Dialga, another Zekrom. That is a nice looking Rocket Admin. I know my camera doesn't do it justice. Professor Oak's Research. You know what? I am actually going to sleeve this one right now because I like how it looks. Come on, Mr. Admin, get into that sleeve of the Pokemon you've been searching for all your life. Boom. It's not in focus. Oh, it's not in center. There we go. Xerneas. Xerneas looks like it has a massive hair right there. Reshiram, Cosmog, and a Surfing Pikachu. That looks cool. Only has 1 attack, but it's like, ooh, I'm surfing. And it's Chonky Pikachu from way back in the yellow version. I tell you, since Gen 1, Pikachu's been hitting that gym, man. What diet did Pikachu go on? I want to be on that diet. You didn't see that? And boom. Lugia, Reshiram, Palkia, and Mew. Mew. I think it's kind of fitting that I'd pull a Mew in this when I get the Mew Elite Trainer box. Okay, and we have Ho-Oh, Lugia. That is such a cute Cleffa. And that attack, man, eek. And as Zamazenta V. I don't really care for this one. It kind of looks boring, but I'm totally gonna sleeve this Cleffa. Come on. There we go. And now for the last one. And we got Kyogre, Groudon. Oh my god. Dark Gyarados back from the original Rocket Pack. And Lunala. Dark Gyarados goes in that sleeve. Because like I like how it's a textured card instead of just hollow. Okay, well that's all of it. Okay, so that's all I got for today. I'm gonna do pack openings once a month. I'm aiming for the first week of the month. So keep an eye out for that. You can always go to my Twitter, which is twitter.com/Cameron1229. And I do stream, well, I'm getting back into streaming on Twitch at twitch.tv/Cameron1229. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.